Gurgen Hovhannisyan is set to go down against Uilamau. Uilamau is having a record of 10-0. Mondoi Punch is fighting out of Auckland, New Zealand. He's very big guy. He destroyed Robert Beniamino Tutero, Julius Long, Joe Kelly, Vanny Maffey. He's got that big right hand. On the other side, Gurgen Hovhannisyan is also a very big guy. And 6'7", 81.1 inches of reach, 281 pounds. He destroys Cesar Navarro, Chris Thomas, the Juan Calloway, Patrick Melata, Luis Pascual, Colby Madison. I'm pretty confident the fight will not go the distance. Willa has a very decent chin, but I have a feeling that Gurgen Hovhannisyan is a tough guy, powerful, dangerous. I think he could put him to sleep. But also Willa has good counters, so I would say the fight will not go the distance. If I must pick a side, I'm gonna go with Gurgen, the Armenian guy.